Looking for a great hosting solution? Check our website for prices. First of all, you need to install dependencies. You can install it with the following command. Next, you will need to install SDK. The .NET SDK allows you to develop apps with .NET. You can install with the following command. If you get the same error, just change the version of SDK. The ASP.NET Core Runtime allows you to run apps that were made with .NET that didn't provide the runtime. The following command: install the ASP.NET Core Runtime. As an alternative to ASP.NET Core Runtime, you can install the .NET Runtime, which doesn't include ASP.NET Core. You can install it with the following command. To verify if .NET is installed correctly, just use the following comments. If you have any question, leave them in comments.